worse and more agonising.
Well, you've gotten onto it. Yes, the worry is higher. It's a staggering 4 on the scale. Schmidt said, torture, full stop. You are chained in the flow of an active volcano.
Oh my God.
Before saying, why did I start this list? Oh, on you, Schmidt, you absolute nutter. And that's the end of Play Your Bites Right. The winner will receive a tube of saddle. Except it's run out. Sorry about that. Chris, what have you got for us today?
Now, don't judge this by its appearance. I know that it doesn't look particularly beautiful. It looks like some sort of giant withered parsnip that I found in the root veg of the supermarket. This is a magical plant, or so it was long believed. This is a mandrake, and I'll explain a little bit about its biology and why people thought it was magical. So firstly, I should say that this is in the same family as the tomatoes and potatoes, and also some toxic plants like deadly nightshade. It's a family Solanaceae, and it's replete with toxic plants. And they have these chemicals that have a really profound impact on the human body. So things like atropine, scopolamine,